back to my kitchen. Thanks for all the love and support you guys have been showing me. Well, today we're going to be cooking one of my favorite soup. We're going down the lane of chicken foot with gizzard and pig's tail. It's a very, very nice and nutritious soup. I'm going to use some pumpkin, carrots, Irish potato. I'm putting in some yellow yam. I'm also using some chocho and some corn, and I'm gonna put a few dumplings. And our seasoning is gonna be scallion, thyme, garlic, and pepper. And we also have some noodle or cock soup. I found different brands in the. I normally use just Grace, but yesterday I went shopping and I found Spur Tree. I found some Spur Tree pumpkin mix, so I'm gonna try it out. And I also have Caribbean Dream. I also did not leave my Grace out. So guys, we're gonna get into the kitchen right now. Guys, look, I almost forgot my cocoa. The cocoa is what gives the soup that rich thickness. Okay guys, I already cleaned up my chicken foot. I cut them in small pieces, like I cut one chicken foot in 2 pieces. I cut the gizzard, clean them up real nice. Clean up my pig's tail. My pumpkin is already cut and washed. My carrots, I'm only gonna be peeling my Irish and my chocho when I'm ready. And I'm gonna cut the corns into like probably one in like 3 pieces, so we don't have a whole corn in the pot, because I don't like to see junky stuff. I like to see attractive food, so I'm gonna make this soup really, really attractive, guys. Look at the pumpkin, it's rich. So when you boil this, I put some with the skin and some without the skin. The skin has a lot of nutrients in it, so I'm putting some skin in it so we can have that nice rich look. When it's almost cooked, what I do, I try to smash it, so it can make the soup have that bright orange color that people love to see. So guys, I'm waiting for my pot to come to a boil, and then I'm gonna add the meat and the vegetable for starters, and then I'm gonna have those cook for until almost tender. Then I'm gonna add my yam and my dumplings and my corn, but all the vegetable and the meat is gonna go in right as the pot starts to boil. The pot is boiling, and as I said, I'm adding all my vegetables. That was my pumpkin, my carrot, my Irish potato, and my cocoa. I'm adding all my meat, this is the chicken foot and the gizzard. So any day, guys, you're feeling like you're under the weather, this is a very good kick you up and pick you up. You could try it. It's very tasty. The pig's tail gives the soup a lot of flavor. When I said you don't have to use no salt apart from your noodle, no salt is required, because the pig's tail gives it so much flavor. So guys, I'm gonna have this cook, and then I'm gonna add some more stuff, so just wait on it. Chef, I just want you to have a look at the soup before I even add any noodle, no cock soup, nothing. This is just the pumpkin that has boiled all the way through, giving it this nice rich color. I'm gonna go ahead now, and I'm gonna add my yam, my dumpling, and my corn to my pot. I cut the corn, guys, in 3 pieces. Why I'm cooking such a large pot of soup. My family loves soup, so they'll just keep preheating until it's done. It's been cooking for like 45 minutes in total. 30 minutes for the vegetable and the meat, and then I put the dumpling, yam, the corn. It's been in there for like 15 additional minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and I'm going to add my noodles. I'm gonna try the spur tree run just to see if it's flavored, but I'm definitely gonna be using my grace as well. And then I'm gonna add some scallion, some thyme, hot pepper, and a few grains of pimento. Okay, I'm adding my first. When you're adding the noodle, you have to keep the stir going, because if you don't, it's gonna fall to the bottom of the pot and it's gonna start burning. So make sure you keep stirring as you pour. Guys, I opened the spur tree bran. I'm not sure if I'm loving it. It's a little bit clumped together, so what I'm going to do is add it to a little water to get it dissolved, because I don't want to pour it in and it falls to the bottom and start burning my soup. Not this lovely pot of soup. So what I did, I add a little water and I dissolve the noodle in it. So I'm going to pour it in, and you still have to keep the stir going so the noodle does not fall to the bottom of the pot and starts to burn or itch. Guys, I'm gonna cut my scallion and my thyme before I add it to the pot, because I want it to cook right out. You know, I like to cut it. I like cutting up my seasoning. I'm also gonna cut yellow pepper in 2, so we can, you know, the pepper seed is hotter than the rest of the pepper, so I'm gonna put a whole half, and I'm gonna put a half, and I'm also gonna put a whole one, and then I'm gonna put my few grains of pimento. So here we go, guys. The 2 packs that I put in, it's enough. I'm not gonna put any more. It's flavored enough. Just waiting on these green onion, thyme, pepper, pimento seed, and then I'm gonna have it cook for like 15 minutes more, guys. So that's in total, it's gonna be an hour for my lovely, lovely pot of soup. So guys, wait on the finished product. We're gonna be plating and we're gonna be eating. Okay, chefs, this is after 1 hour cooking. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely rich, flavorful, looking delicious. I'm gonna plate and then I'm gonna give you a little insight on this. Okay, chefs, so this is what we call soul soup. This soup gets to your soul, literally to your soul. If you're not feeling well, this is what's gonna make you feel better. If you're under the weather, it's gonna take you over the weather. If you are not able to move around and you need some joint movement, have some chicken foot soup. This chicken foot helps the joint to get mobilized. Thank you guys for watching. We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for all the comments. Guys, I want you to comment down below an orange heart to comment on this soup. Please to watch this video, like this video, share this video, and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when I drop my next video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you, guys. See you on the next video.